This is also not an ad. Nobody wants to sponsor me. Life is fantastic. So don't be preaching about being healthy when you are frying up your, fake meat and putting it in KFC burgers. It's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another mukbang video. You guys are watching another episode of Munching Mondays, which is my mukbang series. On Mondays, we do mukbang videos on this channel. It's all very exciting, and today we are about to eat something that is new to the Canadian market, which is vegan KFC. Yes, my friends, we have some KFC. I have here this plant-based burger. Now, unfortunately, where I live, I don't think that we have the popcorn vegan chicken, which I think in some places in Canada they have it. But we do have the plant-based chicken burger. I don't know what it's called. It's the plant-based one, okay? So this is the original, because I heard that the spicy one apparently is not vegan. I don't know. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh my god, it looks so good already. Guys, I'm so excited. Last year or 2 years ago when I went to London to visit, they actually had like a vegan KFC promotion sort of thing. And they had, vegan chicken burgers during that time. So I did have some vegan KFC, but now we can have it in Canada. So very exciting. Here it is. Let me show you what it looks like. Ta-da-da! This is not an ad. I wish it was. This is the vegan KFC. It looks, it looks like a fast food burger, let's be honest, but guys, I'm so excited. Unfortunately, Homegirl is not sponsored. So this is what the burger looks like, and I'm probably gonna finish it in about 2 seconds. It feels very dense, the meat is very, you know what, let me just give it a try. I'm very excited. We're also gonna talk about some controversy, okay? But I'm gonna have some bubbly. Now I did get the combo, and I did get a Pepsi, because you know what annoys me about Pepsi is that apparently Diet Pepsi is not vegan, which annoys me. I think Pepsi is vegan. I think just the diet is, oh my god, am I wrong? Correct me if I'm wrong. Pretty sure Pepsi is vegan, which is why I got Pepsi. I would have gotten Diet Pepsi, because I don't like to have, like, I don't know, extra calories through pop, you know what I'm saying? But I decided I'm just gonna have bubbly instead. It's just as good, my friends. This is also not an ad. Nobody wants to sponsor me. Life is fantastic. Anyways, I'm really excited for this. This came out, I think, a few weeks ago. And it's, I believe, nationwide. I don't know if every single location has the plant-based burgers. They are, I think it's partnered with Lightlife Foods, which we're gonna talk about in just a second, but let me eat some of this first, okay? Wow. So the outer layer is quite like hard. I don't know if they like over crisped it or something. Hold on. But it tastes like chicken. It tastes like what I would remember KFC to taste like. That kind of, I taste that seasoning. I remember that seasoning taste. I don't know if it's just I haven't eaten meat in so long, but like it really tastes meaty to me. It's like legit, yo. I'm down for this. I'm about to go on a road trip. And like, if I see a KFC, I'm gonna stop. So I'm gonna have some ketchup. They gave me some ketchup in packets, but I like to save those for like picnics or something, because I have already some ketchup, you know what I mean? So we're gonna have some fries. Now I wish we had the popcorn chicken. I don't think we do here. But, French fries, guys. Oh, all these junk food options, hey? I'm really happy about this. It's so good. I wonder if they have this in the US. Do you guys have, I think that you had like a Beyond chicken, did you not? So good. The flavor is like relatively subtle of like the meat part. I think all the flavor comes from like that seasoning, but it's pretty legit. Maybe the meat part could be a little bit more soft, like not soft, tender, but I really don't have many complaints. The bun is really good. No. It's just like a good like fast food chicken burger. I wonder why the spicy mayo isn't vegan. Yes, I'm so happy. Anyway, did you guys hear about the new drama with Lightlife Foods? So this meat stuff is basically from Lightlife Foods, which is I don't know if it originated in Canada, but I think it's owned by Maple Leaf Foods, which is a huge Canadian like company, which is not a vegan company. It's like very much not, but Lightlife Foods is owned by Maple Leaf, and so I guess it's a Canadian company. Anyways, they make like mock meats and stuff. They're all over grocery stores now. They have like a very similar kind of burger to like the Beyond Burger, and they have, you know, all kinds of other substitutes like, you know, vegan bacon and, you know, all that kind of stuff. And their whole shtick has been, from what I remember, their whole shtick has been that their, you know, products are a little bit healthier than other alternatives. Although this, I mean, I'm not sure about that. I mean, this beef fried, you know, is KFC. It's definitely not healthy. Which is another reason I don't understand this ad campaign. So recently, the drama, I'm sure you guys know, or maybe you don't. The drama has been that Lightlife Foods, they basically, I think they had an ad campaign where they targeted specifically Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods. So they're two competitors, essentially, okay? So let's see. Lightlife targets Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods in a full-page New York Times ad. So this sparked a lot of controversy because they basically like targeted Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods, which are two competitors of theirs, fair enough, but they kind of went after them for it being like not healthy and using all kinds of different ingredients and like a big list of ingredients which we can't pronounce, and that like, you know, Lightlife is better because it's like cleaner, it's cleaner plant-based meat, it's not as like contaminated, it doesn't have as many like ingredients that you can't pronounce. So that sparked a lot of controversy because I'm sorry, but like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods are both very heavily like loved by this community. So I feel like, first of all, maybe know your audience. Guys, I guess I'm never gonna be sponsored by Lightlife Foods. But you know, I'm not hating on Lightlife Foods. I just think that they had a bit of a not so smart campaign. Like, setting aside even the principle of going after your competitors like so directly, even though, you know, they're all in this same plant-based food space, and I get it, they're competitors. We live in a capitalist world, I get it, but at the same time, it's like, to go so obviously against them in the public eye when, you know, it's like, did you really have to do that? Did you really have to? Especially when you are, you know, working with KFC. I mean, they are not known to be healthy, okay? So don't be preaching about being healthy when you are frying up your, you know, fake meat and putting in KFC burgers. Anyway, so a lot of people are not happy with Lightlife Foods. I'm not like super upset, like, oh my god, I'm gonna boycott this. Clearly, I'm freaking filming this free ad for them, okay? But it's like, why are you gonna be like that, you know? You can still, I feel like you can still be, of course, like every company has their own competitive advantage, or it should, right? So of course you can highlight your competitive advantage and say like, oh, like we are, you know, healthy, the healthy alternative to plant-based meat. But then they like specifically compared their ingredients list to like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods and basically just like really attacked them. And I was like, dude, maybe not the smartest idea. Okay. I've seen some buzz about it on my social media. And I just don't like this like war between plant-based companies. No? Why? There is no need. So apparently, Maple Leaf Foods acquired Lightlife Foods in 2017. So that happened. And I do think, maybe it's just my speculation, but I do feel like being acquired by a meat giant, which is Maple Leaf Foods, they normally sell like hot dogs and like stuff like that. I don't really know. Anyway, they're not a vegan company. They're a huge, you know, gigantic company in Canada, and they were acquired by this gigantic meat company. So I think maybe some of the decision making is not very aligned with what the plant-based audience would resonate with, you know? Because like one of the arguments made by Impossible Foods, for example, is that this campaign leads on spurious arguments typically used by the meat industry. So meat industry basically being like, oh, these plant-based meats are not good for you because like there's so many ingredients, you know? It's like a similar argument. Most vegans that eat Beyond Meat and Impossible Meat and like this kind of stuff, like we don't really care if it's like really like extremely clean and like really healthy. Like most of us that know a thing or two know that this is not going to be like the healthiest option. Now, do we want something to like give us cancer? Like no, but also when we're eating Beyond Meat, we're not really doing it for our health, at least not me, okay? So I just like I hate this concept that like, you know, because it's plant-based, oh, immediately we just expect it to be healthy or it should be healthy. No. That's like the first argument with Beyond Meat. Everyone's like, oh my God, it's not much healthier than like real meat. Don't give a crap. That's not what we're talking about, okay? Come on, know your audience, know your audience. Anyways, I'm like eating this while talking smack, you know what I'm saying? And this is why I'll never be sponsored by Lightlife Foods. But if Beyond Meat wants to sponsor me, totally happy with that. Isn't that funny? They literally just started this collaboration with KFC and put their fake meat into this like fried chicken thing, put it in a bun, selling with fries, and then they like start this random campaign that their meat is like so clean. It's like, really? It just seems like an attack. But this is good though. I'm still gonna eat this. Oh yeah. One thing I will note is that we need more healthy fast food options. Is that a thing? Like vegan fast food options that are like healthier? Not just vegan, but like everything. Why is fast food always so like unhealthy? I don't get it, you know? I guess there's Subway, but is Subway really healthier? My god though, this really tastes like a chicken burger. I really wonder if like a non-vegan ate this, like would they know? No? The next step though, guys, is fish. I need a very innovative company to come up with mock fish. That'd be really cool, you know? Oh my gosh, I'm actually getting really full. You know, I never ate KFC that much. Pre-vegan. Just was never really my thing. But this is legit. Why do I feel like I'm gonna be eating KFC more now that I'm vegan? Isn't that a strange phenomenon? It's like A&W. I almost never ate A&W before I was vegan. And now that we have A&W Beyond Burgers, pretty sure I ate A&W more as a vegan than I have as not a vegan. Yum! I'm so happy. That was so good. I was actually tempted to order 2 burgers, but I stopped myself. Aren't you proud of me? Alright guys, so that is it for this mukbang. That was delicious. I'm definitely impressed. But those were also my thoughts on this whole Lightlife versus Beyond and Impossible Foods drama. Hopefully they don't do that kind of stupid campaign again, because it's kind of stupid. But either way, that was delicious. I'm not gonna lie. I will be eating some KFC potentially on my road trip. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what your thoughts were, and also what your thoughts are on this whole like drama between these big plant-based companies. I mean, why are we fighting each other, my friends? There's only a few of us. Let's just get along, okay? Anyways, yeah, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Of course, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!